Experiencing no audio, music, or voice in Mobile Legends can be frustrating, but we can work through some solutions to help you get back to a full gaming experience. Try these solutions step by step on your Android phone. Solution 1. Check in-game sound settings. Open Mobile Legends. Then, tap on the gear icon in the top right corner. Now, go to Sound section. From here, turn on main volume if it's turned off. Then, increase the volume of music, sound effects, and every other audio settings to max. Then turn on all other additional sound settings as well. And make sure your phone isn't muted. Increase volume buttons while inside the game. Solution 2. Enable Allow Sound in Android settings. Find the Mobile Legends app. Press and hold onto it. Now, tap the eye icon or app info. Go to Permissions. Ensure microphone and audio access are allowed, if available. Once the permissions are enabled, your issue will be gone. If the issue persists, then it's most likely an app bug. To fix this, Solution 3. Clear game cache. Find Mobile Legends on your app gallery. Tap and hold onto it. Now tap the eye icon or app info. Find the storage option from here. Tap on it. Tap Clear Cache. After that, close all your background apps and try opening MLBB again. That's how you fix no sound issues on MLBB on Android. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Mobile Legends fixes. See you next time!